to the ceiling. Out in Vegas, I'm with a mortar and